Guys, how's it going? This is Susie Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. And for today's recipe, this is a dark broth, black broth beef soup from Indonesia that we call it as rawon. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. So this is 5 black nut. In Indonesia, we call it kluwak, no substitution. This is what makes the broth black or dark. And I believe this only grows in Indonesia, so you either have to find it online or from Indonesian store. And this is soaked in ½ cup of hot boiling water. This is 5 kaffir lime leaves with 2 lemongrass, and we're gonna add in our 1.1 kilogram of beef cubes like so, and put enough water to cover the beef. And then we're just gonna bring this to boil until scum comes out, and we're gonna scoop the scum. While let's make the spices. This is 1 small onion with 4 to 5 large garlic and 5 candle nuts with 1/4 cup of water. There's no substitution for the candle nuts, and this is another Indonesian spices that you can only find in Indonesia or Southeast Asia. And people say you can substitute it with Brazil nuts, but I don't think so because I love Brazil nut. I can eat Brazil nut as is, but you cannot eat candle nuts as is. So this is the paste, and ½ teaspoon of ground coriander and 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of vegetables oil. I use olive oil. We're just gonna warm this until bubbly and mix thoroughly, combine well. And set to side. Once it's bubbly, turn off the stove and set to side. We're gonna drop this into our pot of beef pot. So you want kind of mash it because we want the blackness of this water to darken our soup. And you want to totally mash it. You don't want chunks in your soup, because this black nut, kluwak, it's not just darken the soup, but it's flavoring the soup, and the chunk doesn't taste tasty. Quite appetizing as is, or chunky. Now the beef started boiling, and you see those scums. That's the one that we want to remove with slotted spoon. Now that the scums are separated or removed, add in your cooked paste of the paste that we cooked earlier. Also pour in your kluwak water. See, it's darken the broth right away. And you can use beef bouillon or chicken bouillon. I actually love using chicken bouillon powder. It gives the flavor more rich, beef mixed with chicken, but for today I'm gonna use beef cubes, bouillon cubes. And adjust the flavoring. If you need more beef cubes, add more beef cubes. Otherwise I'm gonna flavor it with chicken bouillon powder. And continue boiling until beef totally tender. Serve with warm rice.